we are asking the judge to invalidate the delisting and restore the grizzlies to the threatened species list. If we're successful in that, that means that the hunting seasons will not be able to go forward on September 1st. If we're not successful, there will be people out prepared to shoot a grizzly bear on the morning of September 1st. This case presents a feature that I have not seen before in the 18 years I've been doing this work, which is we're having the court hearing on our challenge to the Yellowstone grizzly delisting on August 30th, and the Wyoming and Idaho grizzly bear hunting seasons are set to begin on September 1st. The judge has indicated to us that he's prepared to make a decision before the hunting seasons begin. And to sort of have a hearing coming on the eve of a major new threat to the species like this is not something I've experienced before, and certainly trains the spotlight on that court hearing in a way that's beyond the ordinary case. The Endangered Species Act played a really important role in pulling grizzlies back from the brink of extinction in the lower 48 and setting in motion a conservation program that stopped the widespread shooting of bears and protected a lot of their habitat. When the government removed that listing, they took the Endangered Species Act protections away from the Yellowstone grizzly population. That pulled the rug out from under this population in the form of withdrawal of all those federal protections. Perhaps not surprisingly, the big kind of 300-pound gorilla in this whole equation is climate change. At the same time that we've been protecting their habitat, warmer winters and just a hotter Yellowstone ecosystem have fundamentally changed the landscape that bears occupy. The government certainly recognized that climate change had killed off some of the bears' really consequential food sources, but in terms of thinking about the impact of that, it looked at, can the bears find something else to eat? And then it stopped the analysis. Our point is that it's not enough to just say, can the bears find something else to eat? It's also necessary to look at what are the consequences to the bears of finding that something else. And finding that means bears come into conflict with people, which means more dead bears, and that's not our speculation, we've seen that. Those two words, Yellowstone and grizzly, come as close to outlining sort of a sacred landscape as anything we have in this country. Most Americans are proud that we still have a place like Yellowstone. And one of the things that makes them proud is we still have a grizzly population there. And we take very seriously our role as guardians of that and sort of the last line of defense for that. And we intend to make sure that the government takes seriously its role in that capacity as well.